A guy I know had a 2-barrel intake manifold for an AMC V8 engine. It comes off a 360. It's old and dirty and grimy, so this is me stripping it down, getting it ready to clean in the bath. So this is an intake manifold from a mid-80s AMC V8 engine. The 360 is what it came off of. It might be the same for the 304 as well as the 410. I believe it's 410, but not 100% sure on that. But this thing is dirty and crusty and gross. So we are going to take all the stuff off, strip it, turn it over, see if there's anything else we can take off on the bottom. There's these big plugs here. I'm gonna see if I can get those off, but I don't know if I have an Allen key that's actually really big, so not sure if I'll be able to take that off or not. Not really that important, I guess, but that's what we're doing. Old coolant temperature sending unit, or some sort of no, it's not a sending unit. It's a vacuum device that acts off of the heat of the coolant, I guess. Another vacuum. Another coolant sensor. It's like this is where the EGR is. Looks like the spacer has a crack in it, and they tried to like glue it back together. Alright, that's gonna be 1/2 inch. I don't know what this one is. A lot of carbon buildup in there. That's the sending unit right there. Well, that's this side of it. Everything's stripped off. Let's look at the bottom. Bottom's just crusty, like how you would imagine. But nothing to strip off. Oh. Let's see if I got something big enough for those. Well, looks like those guys will be staying because I don't have anything that big. I guess I need to get a bigger Allen key. All right. Well, we're gonna put it in the bath now and let it soak for, I'm thinking, 5 days. Definitely gonna be 5 days. I guess we'll leave it there for a few days. Maybe I'll brush it a couple times in between and we'll see how it turns out.